Un jardín.
The goal of the Village Witches is to provide an integrated web of healing services, educational opportunities, and grounded spiritual connection. The VW strives to create an integrated experience for the population of Envision to find wellness and inspiration for healing on a personal, communal, and global scale. Our apothecary features bioregional medicine from all over the United States, as well as down in Central America in Costa Rica, from the early stages of kitchen witchin' to well-established brands that we can all learn to live from. The Village Witches educational series brings together unique, respected, and mind-expanding men and women. These folks are speaking on traditional and alternative healing practices fused with environmentalism and pagan spirituality. The Elixir Bar offers non-alcoholic, organic, and traditionally inspired herbal cocktails made right here in Costa Rica. We are so lucky to be able to source most of our ingredients right here with local farms and friends. We also source a portion of our ingredients from North America over in Appalachia, as well as on the northwest side of the United States.
Otro plan.